the bar shop. Hi. I'm not eating a lot of chips. These are mine. By the way, I'm Flora. Just so you know, I'm the ringleader. Alana thinks she's so awesome that she's the ringleader. No, it's me. Okay? Got it. By the way, I'm super nice and friendly and I love nature. I totally know how to survive. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh, hi. I'm Alana. I'm obviously the Wait, no, I'm sorry. I want to talk about snacks now.
Okay.
Restart it!
Okay. Hi, I'm Delilah. And I'm the oldest out of these two idiots. And I'm obviously the best of the besties. And I'm obviously the ringleader. Like, I don't know why Flora and Alana are like always saying that they are, but they're always fighting each other about it. So I never told them that I'm actually the ringleader. I mean, like, come on, I'm the oldest. And I'm the ginger, and there's just two stupid brunettes. It makes more sense that it's me. Like, I'm the only ginger here, and they're just two brunettes. Like, who wants brownie for a hair color? Like, ew!
Anyway, I totally did not throw a chip bag while she was at Delilah while she was getting. I mean, like, I just want to show you guys my new flavor. Anyway, such an attention seeker. How do you guys like it? It's actually, oh my god, I had it upside down. Look at it, it's so delicious. It's called chicken chips, waffle, and syrup flavor. Very delicious. I'm so bored! What should we do today? I don't know. We could go on a hike. That would be so fun.
You guys will not.
I love nature.
Shush. Let me talk for once in my life.
Shut up.
You guys cannot survive one day in the wilderness because you guys are such house petties. And it's literally getting dark out.
Yes, I'm gonna prove it to you. Come on, miss. We're going on a hike. We're gonna stay. Oh my god.
Oh, you wanna fight?
I'm going. You people are so annoying.
You forgot your shoes.
Going back in. I knew that. I was just doing that for you. That was friends. I knew that. No, this is so easy, Delilah. I didn't mean to say that. Oh, that was beautiful. Delilah.
Seriously, guys, this is literally yours. This is not the hiking trail. Up there's the hiking trail, and it's only been 10 seconds. Get a hold of yourself.
It is not. Don't even talk to me right now.
I think I have a spider on me.
Oh, finally out of that. I mean, it was amazing. I think I touched dirt. I got this.
You guys are literally unexaggerated. This is not even that hard. No hands, losers!
Finally, an easy one. Whoa! Oh, this is so easy.
Ha! Proved you wrong. Top of the hike, right, Delilah? That is not the type of the hike, you idiot.
You're the best.
We have to go up that.
Oh, it's easy. That's easy.
That's easy. Come on, let's go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go. Come on, guys. I'm literally already up here. You guys are so slow. I literally passed you. Oh my.
We're coming, Delilah. Tuck that horse. Easy.
Stupid brunette. Oh my god, guys. We finally got to the hike. Now we have to walk across the street and walk it down the road, and then we'll be at the hike trail. Knew they wouldn't make it. I should have betted them on money. shut up, you stupid car, before I could get my daddy to see. I don't have a daddy. He left me.
This hike was easy. I mean, I'm pretty sure Delilah lied. I mean, I know Delilah lied. She said there was more to the hike. Funny. She tries to lie to me. I knew. She was lying. I'm great at nature. We did the hike. Love ya. Bye. Hi, guys. That hike was so easy. I mean, okay, don't tell the others that was super hard and I'm never going to do that again. But oh my God, Delilah was lying about it being longer. Like, you can't just there's no way. I mean, it's just I'm never going on a hike again. I'll still say I love nature, but that's why I'm the ringleader, because I have everything and I'm perfect. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Okay, well, it's obvious that I'm actually the ringleader because I'm the ringleader because it literally proves right here. I'm the oldest, I'm the tallest, I'm the oldest. I already said that. I'm the only ginger here, and gingers are amazing. We're literally from a different planet, which makes me special. And I literally made it with no effort, and they're literally out of breath every 5 seconds. I mean, look at those stupid brunettes. And I thought blondes were supposed to be stupid. Seriously. What idiot.
Oh my God, it only touches my shoes. We're fine. We're fine. That was so easy. Where's our house? Yeah.
It's literally right there. Oh.
And we knew that. We were just trying to test you. We are the
Besties!
Anyway, thank you for watching season 1 episode. We'll be back for episode 2.